Welcome back, guys. Now, when it comes to Jamaica, scarves are more of a fashion statement than a weather protector. But how exactly do you rock them without them clashing with your outfit? We've got the owner of Hug Up by Kadisha Dallas Good. Hey,
Good
Kadisha.
morning.
Morning.
Her name, she's a goodie.
I know, right? Good.
Welcome.
Thank you for having
Not
me.
your first time at the rodeo, but
No.
tell us about Hug Up.
Yes.
Where did the inspiration come from to start that line?
So, Hug Up was conceptualized in 1985, which is my birth year, and
Big up
materialized in 2018.
Okay.
So that's when it came to life.
Yes.
And I've always loved fashion, always liked to look good, to feel good, and I wanted my clients to feel the exact way. So I wanted ladies to feel special, sophisticated, and classy just as they are. So it's just a pep to your style, to give you that edge, to give you a little bit of flavor, and just to accessorize anything that you have on.
I know with the heat, sometimes in Jamaica, persons are a bit skeptical because there's something around the neck. There's something, you get what I'm saying? So, encouraging persons to probably just grab a scarf or a poncho, you know, like what do they tend to go for?
Persons tend to go for the scarves, but the truth is because in Jamaica we're true fashionistas at heart, a poncho is a fashion statement. So they always find a way to rock it with anything. With a short, some thigh-high boots. So even though we're not a cold country, people love to wear boots because it makes you look classy, it gives you like a little edge. It's fun. You know?
I remember the day that I wore a pair of camouflage boots on the show with some fluff and like 50 comments. Is she wearing fluffy boots?
I know you never care.
Camouflage.
Yeah.
I was like, yep.
Exactly.
So I really do understand you saying,
Yeah,
you know,
so my
whatever
thing
you
is, the
feel.
truth is, I'm Sakina and Talia, my thing is wear whatever makes you feel classy, sophisticated, comfortable, and unique.
That's
and the
right.
thing about the Hug Up brand is that I do one or two of any same color. So I don't want everybody to be in the same thing.
So you're telling me that one wonderful one that I saw a while ago is only two?
Only
so
one
if
or
take
two.
off the one that off of your neck?
Yeah, she have to take it off and give.
And give her
So it's
a
not
break.
it's a neck piece, it's the full thing. So we have it without the arms, with the arms, that kind of
Okay,
thing.
well let's get into what we have with our ladies here. Let's have our first model out so we can take a look at the actual piece.
So this is Anya, and she's modeling Orange Marmalade from the Tease collection.
Ooh, you have fancy names.
For some of them, yeah.
Yes.
So when I'm
Orange
inspired, I give it
Marmalade.
a. So that's Orange Marmalade, and that's from the Tease collection. So if you see, she just have on her little bridgettes, have on a nice leggings, and she just throw it over.
Yes.
So you can accessorize it, accentuates your clothes.
Is it a long scarf? Is it something that I have to wrap, or it comes already
It comes
set
already like that.
So I
It's
just
set
put
like
it
that.
over
So
my
you just
head.
put it over your head, push your
Okay.
arms on, and that's it.
Okay. Okay. All right. Push your arms under.
Yeah, man, just
So
push
it's one
it.
whole thing?
So it's a whole thing.
Oh!
You see it? So it don't. I see you don't have to push through your hands in anything. You just
Oh, it's a whole thing.
right. So you just drop it over your clothes.
I thought that the scarf was separate from
No, that's a poncho. And then the scarf, you take it off, you throw it in your bag, you put it
Yes.
over your desk, you get
Just in
right.
case
So
you
the
get
arm
chilly.
part attached to the
So
part. with
that
the-
is attached, right?
Gotcha. Gotcha now. All right, here we go.
Fancy.
Next up,
So this is Fiona,
what's the name of this one?
Wild Child.
Yes. All
So
right.
if you see the neck, it has a little bit of zebra-looking
Right.
thing going on, and then the nice pop of pink at the bottom.
Nice.
And
Wild
that one is
child.
also a throwover.
This
So you
look
can
like
fold the
something-
neck down some more if you don't want it that high.
Yeah.
And if you say, I'm Fiona, this is for like a nice function. So you go in, you have your nice heels, you have your fitted capri, and you just throw it over it.
Yeah, this looks like something Rihanna would wear.
Right.
I don't know why. I'm just
And because
Riri.
fashion is always evolving, anything you put on, you can add your own twist to it with your personality.
That's right.
So say, for example, you're not really that bright color kind of person.
Right.
We can flavor it down for you. It's still
Black,
flavorful, but we
maybe.
tone it down a little bit. Black with a little pop of color, just a little
yeah.
tease.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
All
gotcha.
right, may we have our next model?
Now this is for the young, hip, and hype.
Young, hip, and
Because
high.
you know you have to also lure the
I like
younger.
this.
This is the one I
So
said
this
I
is
wanted.
Shanoy,
Yes.
and Shanoy has on the reggae rock.
Reggae.
And this one, you just push your arms in. It actually, you push your arm in, and you see that pop of neon green at the neck.
Yeah.
You know what is
That works for
perfect
me.
for? Those stage shows.
Yes.
Where
Exactly.
Yes.
You're going to stay till 5, 6
o'clock in the
o'clock in the morning. When the time get chilly, right
You just
before the
drop
sun
it over.
come up.
I
oh
love that.
God.
Right, and you can wear that with thigh-high boots. What do you think?
Yeah, oh, you
course.
mean?
Yeah.
You know I'm all
About
for
the
the
thigh-high.
boots.
With those shorts too.
With
Yep.
those shorts, you see the biker shorts and
Most
the
definitely. I
and the
love that.
sneakers. Check the sneakers with the cloth.
I love that. I love that one. That one looks like me. Do we have any more models?
Yes. So this is the new line that's coming out. This is black and white, bold and winning from the black and white
This is
collection.
nice.
So the thing about
This
this
is lovely.
scarf, Rochelle is wearing this scarf and it's naughty and nice.
really like
Naughty
that.
with the colored part, you know, the black and white, and then it has a black part to it. So if you want to just keep it black only,
I really like that.
Okay.
so
it's reversible.
this is double, right? So that's a
Okay.
double one. So you have black and white on one side and plain black on the other side.
And of
That's
course,
gorgeous.
Kadisha, if I want something specific or if I want something just for me, I can come to you and say, hey, I want this color, I want this pattern, and you'll make it for me.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I
If you
like
tell me you want African, if you go on the website, you'll see that I have African, I have everything.
And as
Okay.
our next model comes out, tell us your website so we can.
The website is kdallasgood.com. Instagram handle at hugup_Kadisha. And this is the packaging for the scarves.
Okay.
So when you buy a scarf, you'll get it beautifully packaged. I pride myself on packaging.
Okay.
So that's really, really important for
to
us.
make sure that we can put it up and look.
And now this is Annie again. This is another one from the black and white collection. So it's black and white with a tease of red at the bottom.
That's me.
So I'm only going to be
This is
making, for example,
lovely.
2 of those. I'm not making any more.
Wow.
Okay.
Because I don't want, I want it to feel
Everybody.
unique. So I
You
pride
don't want
myself
a
on the
mass
collection
production
being unique.
kind
Exactly.
of feel. That's very nice.
So-
Scarves are always something awesome to pop
It's a
an
go-to.
outfit. I love scarves. They will definitely pop anything.
Yes.
So
and it's
I
always
really
something you
work
can
with
always just walk with, just
Yeah,
in case.
Just in
Just
case.
in
And I do
case.
infinity also. So we have the
Yeah,
infinity
the
scarves.
cowl
Yeah.
ones that
The
you can-
8, right, the
Oh.
cowl
All
looking
right.
ones.
So I think
Okay,
we have one more model.
One more model.
One more
Yeah.
model.
One more model, okay.
And this is the bag for the
Ponchos.
for the ponchos.
For ponchos, okay.
So the ponchos come with a bag, and you have the sticker with the little bow, and then that's for the scarves.
Okie dokie. And our last
our last
model
one.
is
From the,
black
that's
and white
also from the black and white
as well.
collection. Black and bold, white and winning.
Ooh. La la.
Yeah, so Rochelle has on that one. So you see it's black and white again. So it's a different black and
Reversible.
white print, reversible.
Okay, tell me, we're gonna go shortly, but before we run, tell us a price range. Is this something
The
that we can
yeah, man.
afford?
The scarves are $4,800 to $5,500.
Okay.
The ponchos are $6,000.
Okay.
And your
And-
packaging, and there's a little card that I also give you.
Right, I think you gave that to me.
Yeah. That card comes with the packaging. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. Your Hug Up item is unique and elegant. It is handpicked with love and handmade with precision. I hope you'll feel stylish, sophisticated, and special just as you are."
Aw,
And I had to drop a little Spanish in
Love
it. Que lo disfrutes.
Okay.
Hey,
Yes.
disfrutes.
Wonderful. What that mean?
Enjoy.
Oh, okay, wonderful.
Loving it.
Thank you
Oh.
so much for stopping by, Kadisha. And
Yes.
we can find you. You are online. That is how
Yes,
we order.
No, you can call me 822-5634. Once you go to the Instagram handle page or to the website, you'll see the information. You can
Yes.
reach out to me,
And
and
we
I'll
can
be happy
choose
to
from
deliver.
there as well.
Yes.
All right,
Fantastic.
Kadisha, thank you so much. Of course, we're seeing all our beautiful models, but that's owner of Hug Up by Kadisha Dallas Good.
We're going to
what do you
cheat the
think?
food chain when we get back from this break.
Ooh, sounds fun. Yes.
Como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, taqui,